Before you click that Buy Now button on Avulea Tank Tops, you might want to hear this first, because not every trendy online clothing deal turns out the way it looks in the ads. Avulea Tank Tops have been popping up all over the internet lately, promising a comfortable fit, stylish look, and affordable price, which naturally makes a lot of people curious. But the real question is whether these tank tops actually deliver on those promises or if they're just another online product that looks better in marketing than in real life. When looking into Avulea tank tops, several things stand out. On the positive side, many listings highlight lightweight fabric, simple casual designs, and versatile colors that can easily fit into everyday outfits. Whether someone is wearing them for workouts, summer outings, or just relaxing at home, the design itself seems pretty straightforward, which is usually a good thing when it comes to tank tops because comfort and breathability matter more than complicated styling. However, there are also a few things buyers should pay attention to before placing an order. Some online discussions mention that sizing can sometimes feel inconsistent, meaning what looks like a perfect fit on the size chart might not always match expectations when the product arrives. Others have pointed out that while the material may feel soft, it may not always be as thick or premium as the photos suggest, which can be common with online apparel stores that rely heavily on promotional images. Another point worth noting is that the reputation of smaller or lesser-known clothing brands online can vary a lot depending on where the product is being sold, which is why checking multiple sources of feedback is always important. Overall, Avulea tank tops don't appear to be an obvious scam, but they also aren't something you should buy blindly without doing a little research first. Like many online fashion products, the experience can depend on expectations, sizing choices, and where the item is purchased from. So taking a few extra minutes to double-check details could save you from disappointment later.